Good morning, dear student. Silent prayer. Today we will continue exercise 10.4, question number 2. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to corresponding segments of the other chord. Given a circle with the center O, its two equal chords AB and CD intersect at E. That means AB and CD intersect at E. We need to prove AE equal to DE and CE equal to BE. Now consider triangle OME and triangle ONE. These two triangles, that is triangle OME and triangle ONE. OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. These AB and CD are equal chords. So equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Therefore OM equal ON. Now consider this side OE. OE equal OE. Why? Common side for these two triangles. Now triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE by RHS rule. Now consider this line segment, this side of this triangle ME and this side NE. Both are equal. Why? Both are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So according to CPCT, ME equal EN. Now consider AM plus ME equal to DN plus NE. Okay, AM plus ME equal DN plus NE. Now AB equal to CD. Why? AB means this chord and CD means this chord. That is already given in the statement, and this implies half AB is equal to half CD is equal to AM equal DN. AB equals CD. This implies half AB. Half AB means AM. Half AB equal half CD. That means half AB means AM and half CD means DN. That's why AM and DN are equal. Now AE equal DE. AE means this one. AE equal DE. Why? We already proved ME equal NE. That means these two portions are equal, and here we prove that AM equal DN. That means these both are equal. AE equal DE. Now next we need to prove these two are equal. So AB minus AE we get CE, and CD minus DE we get CE. That means AB minus AE equal CD minus DE. AB minus AE. AB minus AE is BE. BE equal CD minus DE is CE. That means these two portions are also equal. So we proved AE equal DE and BE equal CE. Now question 3. If two equal chords of a circle intersect with the circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angles with the chords. given two equal chords AB and CD of a circle with the center O intersect within the circle. Here, intersecting within the circle. Their point of intersection is E. We denoted with the E. Now we need to prove angle OEA. OEA. That means this angle is equal to angle OED. This angle. That means these two angles are equal. We need to prove these two angles are equal. Now consider these two triangles. Triangle OEA. This triangle and OED. Consider these two triangles. OE equal OE. OE equal OE. Why? Common for both the triangles. Now OA equal OD. OA equal OD. Why? Radii of a circle. Both are radii of the same circle. Now AE equal DE. AE equal DE. That means this AE equal DE. We proved in last question, previous question, question number 2, we already proved that AE equal DE. That means these two triangles are congruent according to SSS rule. That is, these two triangles are congruent. So angle OEA and angle OED both are also equal according to CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So these two angles are equal. Next question 4. If a line intersects two concentric circles with the same center. Concentric circles means circles with the same center. So if a line intersects two concentric circles with the center O at A, B, C and D, prove that AB equal to CD. See figure 10.25. That means this figure is concentric circle. These two are concentric circle with the same center O, and this line passing through these two concentric circles intersect at here A, B, C, D. We need to prove that AB equal to CD. That means this length and this length are equal. Draw OM perpendicular to AD or this line. Now the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. A perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord is bisect the chord. That means AM equal to DM. These two segments means these two portions are equal, and the same way BM equal to CM. That is AM equal DM and BM equal CM, perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. So this is equation 1 and this is 2. From subtracting 2 from 1. Subtracting 2 from 1 means AM minus BM equal DM minus CM. AM minus BM equal DM minus CM. Now consider here where AM is this portion, AM minus BM, we get this portion AB equal to, now consider this side DM minus CM, we get this portion DC. That means AB equal to CD, hence the proof. Question number 5. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a path. They are standing in a circle of radius 5 meter and playing. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? Now these three are three girls standing in a circle with a diameter 5. So this is first position, second position and third position. Then 6 meter. Distance is 6 meter and this distance is 5 meter. Now O is the center and L is this point and K is this intersecting point. M, R, S are representing 3 children. Now consider triangle ORS. ORS. This triangle OS equal to OR and OL perpendicular to RS. By construction OR equal OS and OL perpendicular to RS by construction, and RL equal to LS. RL equal to LS equal 3 meter. 3 meter, that means this is 3 meter, this is also 3 meter. This is a perpendicular bisector from the center, so it bisect the chord. Now triangle OLS, OLS perpendicular, so this angle is 90 degree and this angle 90 degree, so OLS, OL square is equal to OS square minus SL square, OS square minus SL square according to Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute the values. OS is the radius, so this is also 5 centimeter. So OS square is equal 5 square. So OS square 5 square minus SL means this length 3 meter. So substitute 3. So 5 square minus 3 square equal to 5 square 25 minus 3 square 9. Now 25 minus 9 we get 16. Now OL square is 16. Then take square root, we get OL equal 4. That means this length is 4 meter. Now consider triangle ORK. That means this triangle and triangle OMK. This triangle. Consider these two both triangles. OR equal OM. OR and OM are radii of a same circle. Now consider angle ROK. Angle ROK. This angle equal to angle MOK. That is this angle. Equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. Equal chords subtended equal angles at the center. So these two are equal. Now OK is equal OK, common for these two triangles. Hence triangle ORK and triangle OMK are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Hence RK equal KM. RK equal KM, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hence OK perpendicular to RM. OK means this. This is perpendicular to RM. The line drawn through the center of a circle to a chord bisect is perpendicular to the chord. The line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord perpendicular to the chord. So RK is equal KM. Now the area of triangle ORS, this triangle. Consider its area. Area is equal to half BH. Area of triangle is half BH. Then half into OS. OS means this side. Not OS, RS, this side, base. So RS into OL. OL means height. Now consider next triangle ORS. 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 Area of triangle ORS is equal to half into OS into KR. in two ways. We take area of the same triangle in two ways. That is, OL is the perpendicular line segment from the center to RS, and RK perpendicular to this OS. So we take OS into KR. So both are areas of same triangle. So from 1 and 2 we can equate half into RS into OL equal half into OS into KR. That in both sides half, so we can cut that one. So RS into OL equal OS into KR. That is RS into OL equal OS into KR. Now substitute values of these. RS means 6 centimeter. So 6 meter. So RS into OL 4. We already find OL is equal to OS. OS means 5 radius. So 5 into KR. KR we don't know. So KR. We are going to find the value of this KR. So KR we don't know. Now transpose this 5 to this side. 6 into 4 by 5 equal to KR. After multiplication of 6 4s are 24. 24 by 5 equal to KR. Then divide, we get 4.8 equal to KR. That means this distance 4.8. Now hence RM is equal to 2 into KR. We already proved RK equal KM. So this length 4.8, this also 4.8. So total length of this is 4.8 plus 4.8, that is 9.6 centimeters.
Distance between these two children are 9.6 meter, not 9.6 centimeter.
Question 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Seth and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. So this is a circular park of radius 20 meter. 20 meter. This is the radius OA, OB, OC. These 3 are radius. Okay. Now 3 are sitting here, A, B, C. Now we need to find length of string. Find the length of a string of each phone. All students, all boys having a toy telephone in his hands to talk to each other. So we need to find the length of the string of each phone. Now let's take BD. BD equal to X meter. This length as X meter. Then in right triangle ODB. ODB means ODB. This small triangle. This right triangle. OB square. OB square means the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square according to Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute OB square. OB square is 20 square equal to OD we don't know, and we take BD as X, so X square. Now OD square equal to 400 minus X square. 400 means 20 square is 400. We transpose this X square to this side. So 400 minus X square. Then OD is equal to, OD square is 400 minus X square. So OD equal root 400 minus X square. Now area of equilateral triangle ABC. That given triangle is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. So area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. So root 3 by 4 into BC square. We can take any side because all sides are equal. So root 3 by 4 BC square. Now this is equal to root 3 by 4. Substitute BC as 2BD. BC as 2BD. BD plus DC. So BD and DC are equal. So substitute BC equal to 2BD. So here root 3 by 4 into 2BD all square equal to root 3 by BD square. Why? 2 square and 4 we can cut. Here we get 2 square by 4. So 2 square and 4 we can cut. So balance root 3 BD square equal to root 3 x square. Why BD we take as x. So BD square means x square. So this is equation 1. Again area of equilateral triangle ABC. Again area of equilateral triangle ABC. This ABC is equal to area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OCA plus area of triangle OAB. So now look, triangle OBC, which is OBC, that means this triangle, and next OCA, OCA, this triangle, and last is this triangle. So area of this equilateral triangle is area of sum of areas of these three triangles. Now these three triangles are equal, so 3 into area of triangle OBC. These three triangles are equal, so we take 3 into area of triangle OBC. So area of triangle is equal to half BH. Half BH. That means half into base into height. So we can substitute values 3 into base BC. BC into height OD by 2. By 2 means this half. So next we can substitute BC as 2BD. BC is equal to 2BD. So 3 into 2BD into OD by 2. So we can cut these 2 and 2. We get 3BD into OD. So we can substitute BD as x. So 3x into OD, we already find root 400 minus x square. So substitute that value here. So 3x into root 400 minus x square. This is equation 2. So this is the first equation, and this is the second equation. Here we already find OD is equal to root 400 minus x square. This value here we substitute and we got two equations now. Now from equation 1 and 2, both sides are equal. So 3x root 400 minus x square is equal to root 3x square. In equation 1 we find area of triangle ABC. Also in equation 2 we find area of triangle ABC. So we are going to equate equation 1 and 2. So area of triangle ABC and this area of triangle ABC we equate 3x into root 400 minus x square equal to root 3 x square. Now root 3 into x, we can cut the root 3 from this side. 3 means 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. So we can cut root 3 from this side. So balance is root 3 and x. So root 3 and 1x we can cut. So balance is from here root 3. Then root 400 minus x square equal to x. Now squaring both sides we get 3 squaring. Root 3 all square is 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3. Then all square means 400 minus x square is equal to x square. Now 3 into 400 we get 1200 minus 3 into x square, 3x square equal to x square. Now transpose x square to this side and 1200 to this side. That is minus 3x square minus x square is equal to minus 1200. Then minus 3x square minus x square means minus 4x square is equal to minus 1200. Now we can cut these minus, so we get 4 square is equal to 1200 and x square equal to, transpose this 4 to here, so after dividing we get x square equal to 300 and x equal to 10 root 3. X square is equal to, x square equal to 300 and x equal to root 300. Root 300 means x equal to 3 into 100. Now root of 100 is 10 and root of 3 is 3. So we get x equal to 10 root 3. Now 2BD is equal to, now 2BD equal to 20 root 3. 2 into 10, 20. So 20 root 3. BC equal 20 root 3. Hence the length of string of each phone is 20 root 3. So thank you.